If these worms are coming out of the anus of the cat, this is najis without any doubt. So you have to purify it if you see it on your clothes. And this is not hygienic at all. This is not healthy, man. So many people died because of the cats, either through infection or through respiratory illnesses. So you better take a look at that. May Allah make it easy for both of us. Alhan from India.
Assalamu alaikum, Sheikh.
Alaikum salam.
Sheikh, my question is, there are a lot of people who are slandering Islam and Muslims on the internet. So I'm using the memes and stuff to defend Islam, because there is no one who is there defending Islam in these social platforms, and which is causing fitna to a lot of Muslims in those platforms. So is it possible to use memes and such kinds of stuff, and would I be rewarded for such
I don't know what these memes are about, Alhan.
These memes consist of cartoon characters and some kinds of photos of people, those kinds of things. Not those kinds of things that are exposing the aura, but it's just cartoon features of it.
No, I cannot decide, because if I understand correctly, you're making fun of them. So you're putting memes that make fun of them, or put cartoon that is ridiculing what they're saying. And this is not appropriate. This is not the right way to respond. If you're going to respond scientifically by showing them logic and by countering their argument, yes. But to make fun of them is a waste of time and would harden and make your heart black. So the best is avoid them. When dogs bark, you do not fall on your hands and knees to bark back. You just ignore and walk away. We have Chengiz from Kazakhstan.
Assalamu alaikum, Sheikh.
Alaikum salam.
Sheikh, what advice can you give me on how to teach and encourage my younger brother to practice Islam, who is 12 years old? And I came to Islam 3 years ago, and my mom did 6 months ago, and only now I'm starting to give him dawah, my brother, and
Good.
He believes in Islam but does not practice anything. For example, when I tell him not to listen to music, he just avoids me.
Okay, I'll tell you, Chengiz, because we're out of time. First of all, may Allah Azza wa Jal put a lot of barakah in your da'wah for your mom and for your brother and for all those around you. Number two, you have to focus on the essentials, not the symptoms of the illness. Don't look for listening to music, smoking, watching movies. These are symptoms of the illness. Focus on the chronic illness itself. How? Focus on teaching your brother the beautiful names of Allah. Focus on teaching your brother how to love Prophet Muhammad ﷺ through his biography. Focus on taking 1 or 2 ayahs every day that speaks about Allah, the Day of Judgment, the messengers, the scriptures, the angels, the essential pillars of Iman. Little by little, this would cement Iman in his heart, and it will increase him in Iman and get him closer and closer, where it will eliminate all symptoms of sins and illnesses that you are referring to, and Allah Azza wa Jal knows best.